Julia, come here, big girl. Oh, gee, keep coming. Come see me. Come here, Trent. Come here, G. Look at her go. Look at her go. Logan, wait. Don't take them from her. Trent.
Take a picture of the police
Give those
station.
back to Julia, please.
Grandma said to
Okay,
take a picture.
okay.
Please.
Give those back to Julia, please. Trent, put them down so Julia can get them. Put them down so Julia can get them. Oh, Trent. Look, can you go get her another? Thank you. No, Logan, I want her to crawl for them.